Hey everyone, I'm Will from WH Creations, and these are the 5 tools that you need when you start out woodworking. Let's go! In at number 5 is the tape measure and pencil. Always make sure you've got a sharpener to hand. In at number 4 is the claw hammer. These are great for dismantling pallets and awesome for getting your nails out. In at number 3 is a hand saw. Now these are great if you're on a tight budget, but when you've got a little bit more wonga, you can invest in an electric one. In at number 2 is the router. Now these could be picked up for next to nothing, but can transform your pieces. And at number 1 has to be the drill driver. Whether you're using screws or drilling holes, this thing is amazing. And that is it. That was my 5 best tools for anyone started out in woodworking. And just because I've got a workshop full of tools doesn't mean you have to too. Go down to your local car boot, get on Facebook Marketplace, pick up whatever's going. Just enjoy yourself and make something awesome. Enjoy yourself, guys. See you soon.